Hi there, thank you for joining episode 5 of Who the Heck is Nat? And today I would like to talk to you about making a deposit into Bankroll Flow, because I've watched several videos and I have yet to find one that's really a step-by-step tutorial. So this is what the Bankroll Flow website looks like once you have a wallet connected. Now, the first step would be, for me, I do like to use MetaMask as a wallet. I also use an Edge wallet, but the Edge wallet is actually on my phone, which you can do that as well. So let's just discuss it as if we were working with a MetaMask wallet. And I have the MetaMask extension downloaded for Brave. You can also download the MetaMask extension for Google Chrome. Now, this is what MetaMask will look like once it's opened up. And you would click on Buy and then continue to wire and use a debit card to deposit Ethereum into your MetaMask account. Once you have Ethereum deposited into the MetaMask account, you would then download Exodus, which is an exchange wallet. And I know there's other ways to exchange. Exodus just happens to be my preferred. So I then exchange to my Exodus wallet. And in Exodus, you would open up your Exodus wallet, click on your portfolio, and head on over to your Ethereum. And then click on Receive. Once you have your address copied from Exodus, you go back into your MetaMask. Bear with me. And you click on Send. Once you click on Send, you'll have the option to copy and paste your address. It is extremely important that you always triple check that address and make sure make sure it is the address that you are looking to send to, and it's the address of your preferred wallet. For me, that's Exodus. Very important for me to let everybody know. As always, my videos are for entertainment purposes only, and this is not financial advice. So let's continue. So, sorry about that. Once we send our Ethereum to the Exodus wallet, we're going to then exchange it for Tron. So this balance would increase. It would show the money, the Ethereum that was just sent, and you would then exchange. Now you can exchange Tron to Ethereum or switch it Ethereum to Tron and then put in the amount that you wish to exchange over to Tron. Once that Tron is exchanged, it would then be in your portfolio. And so we then need to get it into our Tron Link wallet, which is also a downloaded extension. There we go. So you would then send your Tron. Bear with me, let's see. Okay, so you would send your Tron to the address of your Tron Link wallet. Again, very important to verify that that address is correct. Once you have the Tron sent over to your Tron Link wallet, you then can connect to the Bankroll Flow website. The Tron Link wallet will automatically connect. If it hasn't connected, you can just refresh this page for Bankroll Flow and everything will come right up. Once you're on the Bankroll Flow website, if you click here, you would be able to click on Swap X, and that's where you would be able to swap your Tron for Banker X. Once you have your Banker X, you can go back to Flow version 1.2 and make your deposit. Make sure you have deposits enabled. once you click deposits enabled, you'll be shown a box in the left hand corner which asks you to confirm that you are in fact making the decision to enable deposits. And then so then you have your Banker X deposited into Bankroll Flow, and you can start earning the daily interest. So it is up to it is 1% interest per day, and that is up to 125% of your deposit. That's the max payout. So let's just do a quick recap. Ensure to download your MetaMask wallet. In my case, I like the MetaMask wallet. So you'll download the MetaMask wallet extension, the Tron Link extension, and also the Exodus wallet, because that will be your exchange wallet. Purchase the Ethereum in MetaMask, then send it to your Exodus wallet, then exchange it for Tron, then send that Tron to your Tron Link wallet, and then from there you will be able to go into the Bankroll website, use Swap X to exchange your Tron for Banker X, and then once you have your Banker X, you can go back into the Flow portion of the Bankroll website, and you can then make your deposit of Banker X and start accruing your 1% interest. As with anything, it's really important that you do your own research. If you go into the Bankroll website and click these lines here, you can drop down and read the white paper, which I highly suggest that you do. Really important, you're putting your money in there and you really want to know what you're getting into. I personally like Bankroll Flow. Many of the crypto enthusiasts that I listen to like Bankroll Flow, but you might read something and not like something about it. And then ultimately that's your decision to make whether or not you look to invest. I'm just here to provide some details on how to get you there. So that's that. Thank you for your patience in getting to this point. I'm just getting comfortable with the recorder and my new microphone, so I'm super excited to have those items now to work with to make these videos more professional and presentable for you. And tomorrow, I'd like to discuss a little bit of BDO.money. So I'm going to do a little bit more research on that. I'm still in the researching stage of that, but I'm looking forward to it because Bankroll Flow, I'm at the point here where I'd really like to just keep rolling. And within the next few days, I will claim because I want to see how that goes, because it'll be my first time claiming. I've just been rolling the interest day to day or every few days. I will also make another video on how to freeze Tron in order to save on Tron fees, because there are fees associated with making transactions. And I think that about covers it for today. I am happy to be here, happy to be progressing on this crypto journey as a first-time crypto investor, and I really appreciate you being here with me. I am going to include my buddy address in the description. So if you log in and create your account for your wallets, and then you're going to make a deposit in Bankroll Flow, you would have to choose a buddy. So I'd really appreciate it if you put me down as your buddy. That would be fantastic. All right, I think that about covers us for tonight. Thank you so much for joining, and I will see you back here tomorrow. Have a good night, good day, good morning.